I don't catch the address. Monitor. It's like a little shopping center. Ooh. Oh god, the indicator's glitchy.
I can start my video in time for James to rush over.
I'm sorry. Traction. Modernize something else anyway. Do you like this though?
Lower level.
Door close, push the button. I wonder what this was.
5th floor.
Here, hold on.
What is it?
No, it was, I like that. Elevators. Oh, they letter labeled the elevators. Cab itself, okay. It's okay, at best. It has the cool lantern I like. They're terrible
That
installs.
was a weird charm for.
Lobby.
Yeah, like a little shopping center. Okay, hold on. I want to try to get another one. Oh. Oh.
Going
Oh.
down.
Close.
This one's the service. Because does not work on this one.
This one's different.
Service car, I guess.
But why?
It took a while to start up there. What the?
These have really neat chimes.
Lower level.
Here, I can ring it for you if you want. Whoa.
It is a free elevator.
Where? Oh. I have a separate button for this one, actually.
Going up.
Yeah, I'll take this side this time.
Very nice charm.
Fifth floor.
Talk. Call me biased, but I actually really like that sound.
Wait, I want to try something.
Wait, you want me to get the down chime for you?
No, we'll do it.
Here, I can go to 4 and replicate that if you want.
You want to get the
Actually, I might do it anyway because already it's down call. It takes forever to start up on this one.
Fourth floor. Going down.
You want to? Which one are you going to 1?
What? It's
Like these buttons. Trying to modernize something else. There you go.
oh, thank you.
Welcome.
These buttons are really low.
Probably a doctor's office. That's probably why the buttons are so low. I want to see what this freight elevator is, if we can even see it, at least. I'll end my video down here. I don't think I'm gonna get the middle one.
Lower level.
Where's the middle one? It's on L.
Ones.
Okay. There it goes, and that's it.
Going up.
It's probably identical.
Yeah, I'll just do it since we're on this one now. Then we'll go to L. Still wonder what these were. Just, oh, it's fine.
Lobby. Going up.
Going up?
Yeah.
Which one?
That's you. Thanks.
Second floor
Yeah.
going up.
Wait, did the other one talk?
I think all of them did.
I don't remember it doing that.
Maybe the one on the right didn't. I don't know, but the one on the left did.
Lobby.
Yeah, modernized. So yeah, that's where the original indicator used to be. I like bar buttons. It's cool. Very nice fixtures, I gotta say.
Probably like one of the.
I like when you get cool fixtures with monitor.
Wait, that's interesting.
What?
They light up separately.
Oh, they do. Strange. I wired differently. Wait. It takes the same calls, but. So let's see if I get a thumbnail. Here, I'll allow it to get the thumbnail. I approve the system. Oh, look at this. What the? A whole enunciator. Neat. Nice. I approve that system. That's it.